Okay, we're out here with our Krieghoff Luger today. I'm going to do a little test fire if I return this back to its owner after I did the work. There's a little tiny pin in the flat spring that operates the slide or toggle hold open. Two little parts I got from a company, the Luger man in Pennsylvania. Okay. See if we could take a look. When we load that, the little chamber indicator does pop up. Yeah, but those two parts was $70. So much like working on a Corvette, bear that in mind. If you find a Luger and think you're getting a deal because you need some work, it's going to cost you. Alright, I'll load up another mag. Okay. Yep. A little bit of a stoppage. Yeah, it's working, ain't falling apart, so after this, I'm just packing it up and sending it back. Go look at the target. Okay, so this is what we got. All this going to the left when I was shooting single-handed, but then when I got two-hand grip on it, we got it more in the center. It's not too bad for a gun that's pretty much, that bore is pretty worn on it, so still a good shooting gun.